Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll show you how you can change the password of your Facebook account. So first of all, open your Facebook app. You can also change your password from the desktop as well. Now on the bottom part of the screen you will see three horizontal lines. Tap on it. Once you tap on it, scroll down and then tap on settings and privacy. Now tap on privacy shortcuts and again scroll down, and then under the account security option you will see your option with change your password. Tap on it. Now type your current password in the first box, and on the second box type the new password you want to create. Again retype your new password in the third box, and afterwards when you have done all of this, tap on save changes, and that's how you can change your password of your Facebook account. So this much for today. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you soon.